Jackson Grills has a new accessory in our lineup. We've made a griddle, and it's made to fit all of our full-size grills, the Keystone series, the Lux series, and the Supreme series. So it's a broad range. It allows you to griddle, cook on any one of those grills. We have made it 15 by 15 inches. It's easy to remove and replace. You just pop out one of the grates that the grill comes with and pop in the griddle accessory. Easy to swap back when you're done with it. We've made the product out of 304 stainless steel and a very thick gauge. We did that for strength and stability and the performance of it. With this kind of thickness, we're getting away from having issues of warping, and it just allows you to have a lot of fun without any product failure. We have in the front of these accessories a removable grease catch. And it comes out that simple. It's really easy to clean. While you're cooking, you may have a lot of residual building up on the surface. It just allows you to use any scraping tool to bring it to the front and collect into this little spot. You might get a little bit of overflow once in a while in the bottom here, but that's still easy to clean out as well. And it's all sealed off, so it's not going to leak all over the place. So when you're done with your cooking, just scrape off all the residual that's up on the top. Maybe wipe off with a paper towel. And then take it to your sink, and just like you would clean your pots and pans or your frying pan, just get a scrubbing pad. Hopefully the scrubbing pad is made out of stainless steel or copper or brass. A nylon works as well. Stay away from SOS pads, not great on stainless steel. Once you've scrubbed the surface, you can use a little bit of soap. The dish detergent works very well, cleaning all the surface up. Rinse really well, dry it off, and then maybe coat it with a very, very light coating of oil. Wipe the residual off of the paper towel. You might see a little bit of sheen, and then put it away, ready for your next time for using it for grilling. The choice of the type of stainless steel that we used was 304, and the thickness was important with that as well. If you have any questions, give us a call. You should be able to find this product at any one of our local dealers across Canada.